still wasting hours on emails, editing, and content creation. In 2025, AI isn't optional, it's your competitive edge. Here are 5 AI tools every freelancer needs right now. First up, ChatGPT. Whether you're writing proposals, creating social media content, or brainstorming ideas, ChatGPT is your on-demand assistant. It's fast, flexible, and constantly evolving. Notion AI helps you organize and automate your workflow. It can summarize notes, create task lists, and even draft pages for you, ideal for project management and client updates. Want to turn text into studio-quality voiceovers? ElevenLabs lets you generate natural-sounding narration for client videos, audiobooks, or your own content, no MIC needed. Creating videos is now drag-and-drop simple. With Pictory, you paste your script and it generates a full video with stock clips and subtitles. Perfect for content creators and marketers. Reclaim and Motion are smart calendar tools that automatically block time for tasks, reschedule when conflicts arise, and prioritize your deep work. Less chaos. More control. Want more ways to automate and scale your freelance business with AI? Hit subscribe, and let's build your AI-powered hustle together. Drop a comment with your favorite tool.